Hey, what are you guys doing over here? What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome to another video, another vlog with your boy, Sergio Vlogs. But yeah, today's gonna be a little different vlog, We're gonna go on a little hike. I'm bringing you guys along. You guys are gonna be my hiking buddies. We're gonna go hiking all the way to the top over there. Let's see if I can get it. Like right there, we're gonna go hiking. So yeah, that's gonna be the video today. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and drop a like for this view. Look at this. Yeah, we're here in the middle of nowhere. So let me tell you my hiking essentials right now. This is all you need to successfully hike. Obviously, you're gonna have your knife because this is bear country, so if they pull up on you, you gotta stab them. You got water, flannel, caffeine, a little snack, a little carbs, some more caffeine, and a book. But yeah, that's all you need for a 4-mile hike. I think it's about 4 miles up, or something. It's two miles, 2.5 miles going up, and then 2 miles down. So it's like almost 5-mile hike. I think so. I'll keep you updated. I'll track it on my watch. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, that's gonna be today's video. It's gonna be a hike with Sergio Vlogs, your boy. How you guys been? Drop a comment. Let me know how you guys been. Let me know if you guys want a specific vlog. I'll let you guys choose, and I'll make it for you guys. Just let me know. And that's it. I'm gonna put on the chest now so we can get those POV angles, you know what I mean? So we're barely getting to the entrance of the trail. It's called the 4-mile trail. So I guess I'm right here. Alright, well, let me tell you, it's freaking cold right now. It's like, I think in the 40s, I think it's like 45 degrees. It's like cold. But look at that view. Yeah. So, here we go, I guess. You know what they say. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. So, as you guys can see, it says we're entering the Yosemite Wilderness. Your boy's out of breath. This is just straight uphill right now. I mean, the whole hike is uphill. But yeah, I might have to just voice over it and mute my heavy breathing and just narrate it when I get home. Because this is not the business. But yeah. Look at the view though. It's kind of lonely. I'm telling you, it's just straight uphill. My breath. My heart rate is like starting to get warm. The blood flowing and whatnot. But yeah. So, give you an update. We just hit 1 mile. 1 mile in 34 minutes. Yeah, 34 minutes. Man, this is gonna be a long hike. That's all I'm gonna tell you. We're just straight uphill. I'm the only one here so far. I haven't walk by anyone else, any other hikers. But yep. Well, I was thinking about it. I'm like, why am I taking so long to walk? Then I realized I stop every like 5 minutes to take a picture. I'll record a video or something along the lines, but mostly try to get those good angles for you guys. Look at that. You like that? What about that? Dang. Well, that's why it's taking me so long. And there's a little waterfall right here. Should I drink out of it? Oh. I want to get in there though. Get you in here behind the scenes. Oh yeah, take a sip of it. But right here. This is the real vlog. This is why you guys are subscribed. Pretty fucking good. I ain't even gonna lie. Okay, so we're gonna do a little chocolate caffeine. I don't know. A little snack review, I guess. We'll call it a snack review. So it says it has 130 to 150 milligrams of caffeine. So it's a pocket latte, dark roast. I'm gonna try right now. Damn, straight, it smells like straight up coffee. Tastes pretty good actually. Out of 10, I gotta give it an 8. You know what it reminds me of? When you make a hot chocolate, like you put the little rounder thing, the abuelita chocolate, that's what it tastes like, exactly like that. It's getting really cold up here now. Like, I don't know if you could hear the little wind, but it's getting cold up here. I might have to put a sweater back on. Look at that view though. And guess what? We're just going up and up and up. Look how steep that thing is. Bro, that's like straight up. Like, okay, this is level. Look how steep that thing is. All those things. Alright, so we just hit 2 miles. 2 miles in an hour and 14 minutes. Average pace, 2 miles per hour. But you guys know why. Your boy just be going uphill. Like, I'm fucking sweating. I don't know if you can tell. Sweaty. But you gotta put in that work. Did I tell you we're gonna get to the top? Look at that. I told you guys, you didn't believe me. This is my face at mile almost 3. Let's walk to up. There you go. We just hit 3. We're an hour, 2 hours almost in, just straight walking up this mountain. I mean, don't get me wrong, the view's beautiful. Like, grateful that I could be out here. Grateful that Sergio Vlogs made this happen. You know, shout out to Sergio. He's a sponsor of this video. Subscribe. But anyways, I'm tired and I'm out of water. Yeah, so I don't know. It's cold up here. I don't know, guys. If I'll make it, you know. Don't forget to watch the other YouTube videos. Oh, give you a heads up right now. Season 4 is coming up. Season 4 of Sergio Vlogs. Shout out to Yamil, Allison watching the real ones. Camila, I see you. Is Christian in there too? But let me show you this view. Oh man. Nowhere but the top. Well, I got to the top. It took me 2 hours and 20 minutes, and then it started snowing. It's literally snowing in here. Like you can see my face. Like I'm covered in snow right now. It's freezing, but look. So like I was saying, it started snowing out of nowhere. I'm covered in snow. It's freezing. My hands are frozen right now, but I'm trying to live the moment and enjoy it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, Sergio Vlogs out here. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys' support. I'm out.